how to make money dropshipping on Poshmark. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make money dropshipping items onto Poshmark. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So this is the website right here, poshmark.com, as you can see. So all you have to do is just simply sign up. Now you can sign up by clicking on the sign up button over here, or you can go ahead and click on continue with Google. So I recommend going on and continuing with Google because it is a lot quicker and it saves quite a lot of time, and you can easily sign up onto any website by just a simple click of a button. So go ahead and click on continue with Google, and once you've selected your account, it's going to take you over to this place over here. And over here, all you have to do is just simply enter in a username that other poshers will know you by, and then you can select the location and where you are located. So go ahead and click on next, and once you have done that, you will arrive onto this page, and over here you will select your gender. You will select the shirt size, the shoe size that you want or what you want to sell, and then just simply enter in a zip code and simply click on continue. So once you have signed up, this is how the website is going to look like. And over here, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different products. And what we want to do is we want to switch to the selling mode of this website. So to switch to the selling mode, all you have to do is just switch to the top over here, is scroll back to the top. And over here, you will see the option sell on Poshmark over here on the right corner. Simply click on it. And over here, this is going to be your draft listing over here. And over here, you'll basically create your first listing. So for that, you need photos, you need a title, a description, a category, quantity, size, and in tags, and many, many more. So these are all going to be the options that we are going to use. So I'm sure you're wondering now that where do you get your products from? Well, that's very simple. We find our products for Amazon. So when we come over here onto Amazon, these are going to be the products over here. So what I want you guys to do is just simply search for a product that you want. So let's just assume that you want to sell handbags. So just simply search for handbags. So over here, as you can see, these are all the handbags that we have right now. So what we need to do now is just choose and find a handbag that is easy to sell. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how you can, make a profit on a $40 bag. So for that, I have a solution for you. So for that, what you need to do is you need to find a handbag that is cheaper but looks really expensive but doesn't look that expensive as well. Okay, handbag that you can find for like $10, and then you can like sell it for like 20 or even 15 or maybe $19. So you need to find that kind of bag. So for that one, all you have to do is just simply go over here at the top right here, and then just simply sort all the products by pricing from low to high. And when you do that, you will have all these different types of handbags. Now, as you can see, they're all $0, $0, and $0, and they don't even have ratings. Now we have to keep that in mind. We can't just pick like, let's just say like this handbag and then just sell it on over there. Now, what if this handbag is a faulty handbag and the customer wants to return it? And since you bought it from a sketchy seller, and you can't basically return it, so you're stuck with it, and now you are a bad seller on Poshmark. Your first sale is a bad sale. So for that reason alone, what you have to do is you have to sort them by rating. So let's go over here on the right side and then just simply sort them all by 4 stars. So over here we can see when we sort them out, we will have a decent amount of handbags that can easily be sold online, and they even have a return rate as well. So let's just simply choose a bag. So let's go over here and choose this one over here, the tote bag. So click on over here, and as you can see, this is a bag that is going over for $7, so basically $8. So we can easily sell this bag for like maybe $15 on Poshmark. So what you need to do now is you need to download these images of this product right here. So make sure the images are exactly the same. They aren't like different. But for the sake of this video, I already have a couple of different images of the product. They're not similar, but for the sake of this video, so that you guys can understand. But make sure you upload the exact same images of the product that you are selling. So once you have found a product that you want to sell, let's just simply go back to our creating a listing, and let's just assume that you've downloaded the images. What you need to do is you need to upload the photos of the product. Simply click on add photos, and then just choose the photos that you want. So let me just choose this photo right here, and then let's just simply make sure the product is within the crop. It's not too much cropped right now. People can see the product, and then they can see that it's really nice. And then down below you will also have filters. So right now it's warm filter that I have applied, which really makes the color pop. So once you've done that, applied all the filters, just simply click on apply, and as you can see, the photo has been uploaded. Let me just go ahead and upload another photo of the product. Make sure you add many photos of the product so that it looks legit. And once you've done that, we can move on to the next step, which is called title. Now over here, what you need to do is you need to add the title of the product. Now we can also copy the title of this product right here from Amazon, but make sure you don't copy every single title of this word. We could have some problems from Amazon on Poshmark. They might, copyright us. So what you need to do is you need to copy specific keywords, like the totes bag. Like this is a keyword, this is a category, this is a type of bag that you want to sell. So we can copy the tote bag, and we can go over here and just simply enter in tote bags over here. And we can also add this is a travel beach totes bag for shopping, zippered for women. Like we don't want to add all that. Let's just add foldable waterproof handbag. So we can copy that, and we can paste it over here, and we can get rid of overnight as well. So now that we have our title, we want to add a description. So we can also copy the description from Amazon as well. Like over here, if we scroll down below, this is the product description over here. So let's just go ahead and copy all of this and just simply paste it over here on Poshmark. And once we have done that, we can move on to the next part of this video, which is category. We can assign it to a specific category. So let's just go ahead and select category, and over here let's select women. And over here scroll up and select bags, and then over here what type of bag it is. So it is a totes bag. Simply click on totes bag, and that is basically it. So that is how you select the category. And then what we can do now is we can select the quantity of this item. So if you have multiple quantities, you can select multi items. So if you have more than one of the same items, you can select multi items, so that you can specify how much you have, or we can just select single item. And then you have size, so we can copy the size from the description over here. As you can see, dimensions. So this is the size of the bag, and the handle is 25 centimeters, 10 inches long. So let's just copy this one over here, copy this number, and over here select and go over here and custom, and then we can paste it over here. Now let me just remove the inches and click on save and click on done. So this is the size of the product, and then we can add in some tags to make it more popular so that it ranks higher on the SEO of Poshmark. And then we can enter in the name of the brand, but there is no name, so we can leave it blank. Then we have color options. We can select 2 colors, or black or silver, whichever color you want, and let's just go with black for now, just for the sake of this video, even though our product isn't black, but And then you have style tags. You can add up to 3 style tags. So let's just go ahead and add in handmade, and add in linen, and add retro. So that is basically it. And then you have the pricing. So over here, what you can do is you can add the original price. So originally it was going over for $8, right? So we're going to sell it for like, so let's just say the original price is $20, okay, or maybe even $40 actually. So let's just say that the original price was $40, so we can add in like $19. All right, so and then our total earnings when this sold will be $15.20. So that is basically it. So that is going to be our profit right there. So and then we have availability. So once we have added all the information, right here, we can simply click on next, and then we can publish this item. Now I'm sure you're thinking, wait, but when we ship the product, how do we ship it? So what you basically need to do for that is you can't just simply ship this product from Amazon, because when you ship it, they're going to have the label Amazon on it. For that one, what you need to do is you need to get Amazon Prime and you need to get 1-day shipping. So that way, when the product arrives onto your door, what you need to do is you need to change the product label with another product label that you already have and then paste it on it so that it doesn't look like it's from Amazon, and also take out all the Amazon cards that are over there or anything that has a Amazon logo on it and replace it with yours. So this is only possible if you only have 1-day shipping, because that way you will have 2 days of time, so that in 3 days that the customer will have their product. So make sure you have Amazon Prime available, and once you have done that, that is how you basically sell it on to Poshmark. Remember to get Amazon Prime and replace all the labels. That is very, very important. And once you've done that, just simply click on next and you can list this item. You've sold your first item, you've listed your first item onto Poshmark, and that is how you dropship items on Poshmark. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.